Quick inside. Oh. And we might float and try and get some squid. Hey, welcome back to another video. If you have been following along, you would have seen that we stored the caravan in Mossman in far north Queensland, and we've headed back to South Australia for a few weeks. I'm just about to head off on a little solo mission in my I-30. Bryce is going to meet me up at Yorke Peninsula tomorrow. We're actually going up there to stay with my parents. It's the school holidays here in South Australia, and my parents go up to the Yorke Peninsula to Port Vincent every year. So we're going to go out in the boat, hopefully catch some squid and some snook, and we'll take you along for the ride. And I had to pack some snacks for the way. So we've got a little carton of Easter eggs, some chockies, some caramel. That should keep me busy. Wish me luck, Bradley's taking me out on his Zodiac. With his junior boat licence, aren't you, Brad?
Well, my special permit.
Your special permit.
For a very special boy.
Do you actually know what you're doing?
Sort of.
Sort of. Okay, that's great. That makes me feel so much better.
Good.
You hold it still?
Yeah.
It's a much nicer day here today, isn't it, Bradley, than the other day? It was blowing an absolute gale the other day, so we're finally out in the Zodiac. Bradley's taking me for a little ride. We're going to try and get some squiddy, you reckon?
Yeah, hopefully. Maybe even some crabbies or something.
Yeah, so we've got our crab net here, and we've got the squid jags all ready. And we might float and try and get some squid, because that's usually what they like around this area in Yorke Peninsula. Okay, so we're back in after an hour because the Zodiac started to deflate a little bit. So we got a bit freaked out there and didn't catch anything and had to come in. So that was a great hour out on the water. Let's see if these guys had any luck.
Squid, crabs, and some snook. Really enjoying the snook?
Did a bit better than me and Bradley.
Fancy seeing you here. No, I've actually just come across from Port Victoria, coming from a mate's shack over there, went on the sesh, and then thought I'd come see Chelsea over at Port Vincent.
Nice of you.
Yeah, priorities, hey.
And we've got this massive area set up with gazebos next to the caravan because the whole family's here at the moment.
Yeah, that's right. Oh, quick shout out to Ron.
Oh my god.
Go and get. It's actually so cold here today. The wind is coming straight off the ocean and it's such a chilly breeze. That's why I had to pack all the trackies and jumpers, and I think I had 4 layers on this morning.
Yeah, and I'm still borrowing my parents' clothes too because I didn't bring enough. And Bryce and I's family have been coming here for years and years, and that's actually how we met.
Yeah.
We met here at Port Vincent, and we still like to come back and have our holidays here as well.
Yeah, definitely.
After our little scare in the Zodiac the other day when it started deflating on us, we've resorted to the big boat. And we're going to let Dad drive, aren't we?
Yeah.
And hopefully we're going to see some seals.
Yeah, hopefully.
There was a heap of seals the other day on the other side of the rocks here. So hopefully they're sunbaking again and we can see them. Oh yeah, there's 1, 2, 3, 4. Hello! Oh, they're swimming as well. Oh, hello! Having a little snooze. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, he's just gone under. Hello! Oh, look at the baby one just here.
God.
Oh, there's one swimming.
There's 2.
Oh, look at this tiny baby. Oh, that is so cute. Oh, hello. Oh, yeah.
Watch out.
Oh,
It's like they shape.
yeah. Oh.
I'm flying your hair.
Oh, the big one. Wow.
Oh, hello.
That's huge.
Jesus Christ.
Oh, big boy.
Let's go behind you.
Don't lose him now. So, what has it got to be?
It's got to be to there, 45, and he's 45 and 22, 67.
It's a big boy. Awesome. Good one.
Hey.
Oh, it's a baby. Oh no.
It's a good one.
Might be size, just.
This is
Oh, it's stuck.
no slippery little sucker. What are you doing there?
Don't drop him off the back. Put him up to your head. Put your hand.
I can't.
But Brady's head's so big you won't realise how big it is. Oh,
Yeah.
don't triple the ink on you.
What's you, Fred? Grab the net.
I got you.
Oh, another big one.
Another big one.
Go again.
Oh.
Oh. Today.
Woohoo!
Alright. Oh, wrong way up, Brad.
Oh yeah, quick turn around. Yeah. Oh, the wrong way around again. How you doing?
Well, that ended up being quite successful. We got 6 snook and 16 squid. Oh my god. For anyone who's come across these on South Australian beaches, they are actually Port Jackson shark eggs. It's only sharks, I reckon, who actually lay eggs instead of just giving birth.
OLIGHT have just sent out their new torch, the Baton 3. It's just in time for their flash sale coming up on the 19th of April. It's a good little addition for us because we haven't got any of our stuff with us.
It's all up in cans.
It's all up in cans. So we're at Port Vincent at the moment with Chelsea's family on the Yorke Peninsula, and it's nice having some light when we're trying to get around in the dark.
Yeah, so this actually works as a head torch or a hand torch, the adjustable clips on the side. So I'm going to pop this on the side of my beanie or my hat, and then we're good to go.
It comes in this cool little rechargeable case. You get nearly 3.5 charges out of it. So it's like your AirPods or headphones, your Bluetooth headphones today. So the flash sale will get you 30% off from the OLIGHT store, and it runs for 24 hours, starting on the 19th till the midnight of the 20th of April.
We've also got a 10% off discount code with the code word ADVENTUREAUS. So if you don't see anything in the flash sale for 30% off that you like, you can purchase anything else on their website and get 10% off.
It's a pretty small torch, but it packs a punch. It can throw up to 160 meters, and it's packing 1200 lumens, so it's super bright.
We just got super pumped to go kayaking, and look what the weather's done.
Yeah.
So as soon as we took the kayaks down, it started raining. Yay! SA weather. This is about the third time today we've tried to go for a kayak, isn't it, Brad? But every time we'd take the kayaks onto the beach, it'd start raining. So this is take 3, and I've just got my rain jacket on this time. Oh! Get wobbly. Sorry to all you Bryce fans who haven't got to see much of him in this video. He has been back working, doing some plumbing, and very busy. So I'm just lapping it up here at Port Vincent and making him earn the big bucks. Thanks for tuning in and watching another video. If you are enjoying our content, please make sure to like and subscribe.